courses that we offer are Level 5 Professional Cookery through to HND Professional Cookery and Patisserie, and Level 3 through to Level 6 in Bakery.
I chose to study at City of Glasgow College because it had such a good reputation. It got really good reviews, recommendations, and I just thought, there's no better place. I love learning how to make new things. You go in and you make something brand new that you didn't know how to make before, and it's great learning all the new skills, and I just love learning new techniques of baking. To become a baker, it takes a lot of practice and a lot of effort, and in here I get the opportunity to learn from mistakes. I'll always have someone there to show me where I've gone wrong and to where I can improve for next time.
The thing I like most about my course is walking out with the cakes at the end of the day, because they're just so good, and also taking skills that you learn in here home and showing off to your friends and family.
I was a home baker before, but coming to the college, you build on what you already have and you just grow and grow to become a really good baker.
I chose to study at City of Glasgow College because I know that the kitchens are really high quality and the machinery that we all use in the kitchens is really good. The course is really hands-on. We're in the kitchens twice a week, and one day we're in the training restaurant in Scholars downstairs, so we get to practice how a kitchen actually runs. I really like the days that we're in the kitchen the most. I like learning about the different pastries that we're currently doing, learning the technical side of how pastries work and the different techniques on how to do it.
Students should come to City of Glasgow College, as I believe we really are the best in what we do. We offer amazing world-class facilities within our bakery and professional cookery areas, and we have various realistic working environments throughout the departments where students get to practice their skill in order to really get ready for the workplace.
I know that being at this college, studying bakery, will get me to where I want to be. Once you've started college, the sky's the limit.
The advice I'd give for someone thinking about applying at City of Glasgow College would be definitely do it 100%. The kitchens are amazing here.
I've gained a lot of confidence on the baking course, so I think the experience is definitely going to set us up for years to come. I would like to open my own bakery in a good few years to have my own name up on the door.